Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file for divorce in Arizona. First, ensure you meet the state's residency rules, typically living in Arizona for at least 90 days. Next, decide if your divorce will be contested, meaning you disagree on terms, or uncontested, where you both agree. This choice impacts the forms you'll need. Finally, accurately complete and file all required legal documents with the Superior Court in your county. After filing, you must formally serve your spouse with the divorce papers. This ensures they are legally notified of the proceedings. Your spouse then has a set period, usually 20 days if served in Arizona or 30 days if served out of state, to file a response with the court. If they do not respond within this time frame, you may be able to request a default judgment, moving the process forward without their input. Both parties must exchange detailed financial disclosures, outlining all assets, debts, income, and expenses. This transparency is crucial for fair negotiations. You will then work to reach agreements on key issues like property division, spousal maintenance, and child support if applicable. If you struggle to agree, mediation can be a valuable tool to help you both find common ground and avoid lengthy court battles. Once all agreements are reached and documents are prepared, you will submit your proposed divorce decree to the court for review and approval. In some cases, a brief final hearing may be necessary for the judge to finalize the divorce. After approval, your divorce is legally complete. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.